Hey guys, and welcome back to RGTV. Today I thought we would make some Easter cupcakes, and these are actually very simple to do. Doesn't take any special equipment, and all you need is technically a cake mix and some icing. So what we're going to do is I've already got my cake mix combined, and it's here. We're going to do chocolate, and I do have a recipe on my channel for that, so go and search that if you need one. But if you want to use a box cake mix, you can do that as well. I've lined my cupcake pan with some different liners. You can use brown for these or white, whatever you have. I also have some cute little carrot ones. So we're just going to fill our cupcake liners to about 3/4. Well, you kind of want these flat, so a little less than 3/4 of the way full. I've got my oven preheating to 325 degrees. This is very easy to do for beginners. If you haven't done a lot of decorating, this is something that you can do also with your kiddos, and it's going to have a really cute effect for your holiday table. Okay, and I'm just going to go ahead and finish getting these filled up, and then we're going to go ahead and bake them for about 18 minutes, 15 to 18 minutes at 325, and we'll be right back. So we have our cupcakes baked, and what we're doing is garden carrot cupcakes. I saw this idea on Wilton. I guess it's a few years old. I'm not really sure. I've never seen it. It is absolutely adorable, and it's simple to do. So we're going to take our cupcake, and you can see that the liner, you can't really tell the different colors, so any liner you choose will be perfectly fine. It's a dark cake, so it's really not going to matter. We're going to take some chocolate icing, and we're just going to do a flat layer on top here. Then we're just going to take cookie crumbs, and I have some Oreo crumbs, and while the icing is still tacky, you're going to sprinkle the crumbs all over the cupcake top. And what we're going to do, this is the ground. You can pat it in if you want. What we're going to do is we're going to place this in the refrigerator. You can also put this in the freezer, but we're going to let these kind of harden up a bit, and then we're going to move on to the next step. Okay, so we have our cupcake out of the refrigerator. You can also put this in the freezer. If it helps you do this a little easier, I really don't have a problem. This is pretty easy just with the cupcake being cold. I have orange buttercream and green buttercream, and I have a 2A tip on my orange buttercream, but you can really just cut the corner off a Ziploc bag, and that'll work just as well. I have a leaf tip on my green icing, and again, you can cut a triangle in the corner of a Ziploc bag, and that works just as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our knife in, and this is just a paring knife, at an angle, and we're going to cut a circle into our cupcake. And you don't want to go all the way through to the bottom, but you do want to go to the bottom. You just don't want to puncture the cupcake. You're going to pop that out, and you can see how that's cone shaped, and that's what we want. And what you can also do is just take your finger and just push that icing, the cake crumbs back in. I don't know if you can see that, but that makes a perfect little shape. We're going to take our orange buttercream, we're just going to pipe our icing into the cupcake. Make sure you fill it all up. You're going to come up the top, up to the top. you're gonna pipe a mound of icing to make the carrot top. Okay, and if you get a little tail, it's okay, you can actually just tap that down. Just make sure that your hands are clean. And then we're gonna take our green icing. Okay, we're just gonna pipe our leaves and just place your tip into the icing. Squeeze, pull up, stop squeezing and pull away. And if that doesn't work, just do it again. Okay, and then on the other side. Okay, and there we have it. Our cute little carrot cupcake. We're gonna place this back in the fridge, let it firm up a bit, and then we'll see what it looks like inside. Okay guys, there it is. Carrot cupcake. Looks absolutely adorable and cute. You're gonna love to do these with your kids and serve these for Easter. Give it a try, guys. Let me know down below what you think. And as always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.